In today's video, we're going to be looking at our system update settings in macOS. So click the Apple logo in the top left and go to System Preferences. As you can see, I've got one update ready anyway. So we click on Software Update, and it'll tell us if we need to update our system, which I currently do once it finishes checking. However, we can check this mark here, so we can stop it from automatically keeping up to date. So that might stop it updating when you're doing some work. And from Advanced, we can also turn off Check for Updates, because our Mac devices by default do check for updates if there is one available. Download new updates when available, we can turn that off, and the install option, and also updates from the App Store too, if our applications need an update too. And then also from here, we can disable the ability to install system data files and security updates if you don't want those either. And here you'll get more information on the latest update and what's going to be changing. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, Office 365, cloud solutions, and many more services.